What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to generate a video from image using the Runway tool. So go to runwayml.com, create your account or sign up. It's pretty easy, simple and straightforward to create your account. And from the main dashboard here, you want to go to this option, generate video. It'll open this window up. Here you need to upload your image or video. That'll be like the reference for the video you're going to generate. So I'll upload an image from my computer right here. Okay, so I do have an image that I have prepared, this one. Let's wait for it to upload. And as you can see, the image is now uploaded. I need to crop the part that I want. Okay, let's say I like this part, or I want this part of the person with his hands in his pockets. Okay, crop it. And now you're ready. So let's say I want him to wave his hand. And here I want to describe my shot. So let's say make him wave his hand. Okay, and then click on generate. It'll take some time to generate my video. It's now in queue and it's now generated. So make sure to have the prompt as precise as possible to get the best result possible. Okay, let's wait for it to generate. It's going pretty quickly, which is a good thing. Okay, so it finished generating. Let's see the result. Okay, it looks very amazing and professional. And from here, you can go ahead and favorite this video and you can download it as well.